When it comes to legendary American big rigs, nothing turns heads or roars with more charisma than the Custom 2025 Peterbilt 379, a modern tribute to one of the most iconic long-nose trucks in trucking history. While the original 379 was discontinued in 2007, its spirit refuses to die, kept alive by custom builders and enthusiasts who continue to breathe new life into its unmistakable silhouette. The 2025 custom version embraces the classic styling, long hood, dual chrome stacks, and polished aluminum everywhere, while integrating modern technology and engineering that bring it fully into the 21st century. It's not just a truck, it's a rolling work of art and mechanical muscle designed for both show and real-world long-haul performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Custom Peterbilt 379 is often spec'd with a monstrous Cummins X15 Performance Series engine capable of producing up to 6 horsepower and an eye-popping 2,050 pounds-ft of torque. Some custom builds may swap in a Caterpillar 3406 East or even Detroit Series 60, depending on preference, with each engine delivering immense pulling power and a signature exhaust note that sends shivers down a diesel lover's spine. The drivetrain is typically paired with an 18-speed Eaton Fuller manual transmission for drivers who still appreciate the old skill of rowing gears, although automated options are available for fleets prioritizing efficiency over nostalgia. Comparatively, the 2025 Custom 370 stands apart from aerodynamic, modern trucks like the Peterbilt 579 or Freightliner Cascadia, while the latter are focused on fuel efficiency, sleek profiles, and integrated ADAS tech. The Custom 379 prioritizes raw power, style, and heritage. It's a deliberate throwback that unapologetically sacrifices a few miles per gallon for unmatched presence on the road. However, many 2025 builds incorporate smart upgrades like LED lighting, disc brakes, improved air ride suspension, and integrated infotainment or GPS systems, allowing drivers to enjoy a vintage experience with modern comfort and safety. Historically, the Peterbilt 379 became a cultural icon in the 1980s and 1990s, symbolizing the independent spirit of American truckers. It was the truck of choice for owners who wanted something they could customize, chrome out, and be proud of at truck shows and on the open road. The 2025 custom variants continue that legacy, often used for specialty hauling, promotional fleets, or enthusiasts who want their ride to reflect their personality and love for classic rigs. As trucking continues to evolve toward electric and autonomous platforms, the 379 remains a mechanical tribute to diesel culture and the golden age of trucking. In the future, these customs could serve as living relics and high-performance collectibles, keeping the soul of diesel freedom alive long after the industry fully shifts gears.